Good evening, third grade and fourth grade EFL distance learners. How are you? I hope you had a great holiday weekend. You got in some food, lots of family time, and hopefully you got in a little fitness as well. Just want to kind of get you caught up on what's going on this week. It's a busy week for you guys, and hopefully I'm seeing a lot of submissions come in last minute. But don't forget, all submissions are due Friday, December 4th for the first trimester. I have informed your teachers of all the students that I have not seen anything from. So if you do not give me anything, unfortunately, I'm going to have to give you no evidence of learning, which is not a fun grade to give. So please do something, or at least let me know if you've been active this first trimester and the kind of things you've been doing, and we'll get to that in a second. You can certainly contact me if you have any questions or concerns about your child's well-being. And you can do that at this great email here at my district email. I'm hoping to get live a lot here now that everybody's distance learning. I have some more free time that we'll be doing some live in-person stuff with your classes this next trimester. And so you can be joining me at my personal room, which is right here, and my room number is here. So that will be awesome I would rather be teaching you in person, but I know I've been doing a lot of assignments where I've been handing you things, so hopefully you'll be able to join me with some of the live stuff coming up. So again, some of the things that you can be doing, these are the assignments on Schoology that we've been had the first trimester with Mr. Haugen and I for our EFL, and I said, and of course this is kind of third grade and fourth grade, but these are kind of the same assignments I had for both groups. We had catch and throw skill cards. We did our October Fitness Wellness calendar. We did some catch and throw targets, soccer footwork. We had a piece activity journal. Again, that was just a journal that you can hand to me. It's not an assignment, but it just lets me know what kind of things you've been doing if you haven't been doing some of the activities that we've had. I have had a lot of great submissions, which is awesome. We did a little Halloween fitness fun here at school, so I gave you a little challenge as well. We sent out this choice board, which had all sorts of different activities going on, and I will be sending that out as well with some updated activities coming up in the second trimester. We did some Foursquare because we wanted to go back to some of the things you can be doing outside. It's a little chillier now, but now we're going to be moving into a lot of indoor fitness stuff. But we might get outside now that I will be completely distance learning a lot from some learning from school, some from home. We'll get outside in the snow and we'll pack up, get our clothes on because that fresh air is so important for us. So stay tuned for outdoor activities as well. And our turkey, of course, we did some kind of fun fitness things with the kids here at school, and I want to provide you an opportunity with that as well. So again, let's go back to our gym time. So here's what we're going to be focused on the next few weeks in school. Again, that's volleyball, so if you have some balloons at home, that would be great. Jumping rope. If you don't have a rope, I've used a shirt or an actual jump rope. Find and see if you can find a rope. Rhythms. I've been talking to some teachers about some TikTok type things. But if you're not into that, we can just do some simple rhythms and some heart games. I know fourth grade is going into a heart unit, so we'll be doing some cardiovascular heart games as well. So that's all from me for the third and fourth grade EFL. I'm hoping to see you on camera live a few more times this new trimester. But again, let's focus this week on getting those grades in, getting those submissions so I can give you a great grade and have some fun with it. So have a great evening, and we'll see you this week. Have a great night.